Imagine you're stuck in an emergency situation in an unknown location and you're unable to share your location to the emergency services around you. What will you do? Do you know in India, the average time taken by the ambulance is around 2 to 3 hours? And the first hour is very crucial. By the time the patient reaches the hospital, he has already lost half the war.
Don't panic. Here at Bennett, we have created an app which can do all this for you. Now, the help is just one touch away. We send the nearest ambulance to your location so that you can handle yourself and we handle the rest of it.
The increasing use and convenience of ordering a cab on your phone gave us an inspiration that why not create a similar user-friendly application for calling an ambulance. Earlier, to get an ambulance, you used to contact the hospital and from then they contact the driver and then they send an ambulance. But wait, did I mention the hassle of explaining your correct address or position to the driver? What if you're stuck in an unknown location and don't know your exact position?
This is our app, Aashray. As you can see, this is our home page, which consists of two login buttons, one for a customer and the other for a driver.
So I am logging in as a driver in one phone and I am logging in as a customer in another.
Now, I am logging in as a customer. Just fill in your email ID and a password which can be registered beforehand. When you press the login button, it pops up a map activity which contains of two buttons, a call ambulance button and a logout button. When you press the logout button, it goes back to the previous page, as you can see. When you press the call ambulance button, it shows a location. This location would be shared to the nearest driver. And now let me log in as a driver.
Now I log in as the driver. I'm filling up my details. And the password. Login. As I've already made a customer request and this driver is docked with this customer as I'm very close, as I'm putting this phones very close. It's taking my current location and it's getting updated every second. I get a pickup location marker here and a pickup here marker here because the patient will be get notified that the ambulance will pick them up here, and driver will get notified that I have to visit this location to pick up my patient. When I press the logout button, the app brings me back to the home page and all the requests gets cancelled from the driver side and from the customer side. If you want to cancel the request, just log out the button and the request will get cancelled out. Same goes for the driver. We used Firebase as the database for this app. Now I'm going to show you what all goes inside the database when I log in and make a customer request. I just go to Firebase console. These are the authenticated users. r.r.com is my registered driver and c@c.com is my registered customer. When I go inside the database, as you can see, the driver ID and the customer ID. Now I make the ambulance request on my phone. When I make the ambulance request, I get the customer ID, which is this ID, and their location. This is my latitude and longitude. When I log in as my driver, I get drivers working. My drivers is then docked to this location. अरे वो पहले डॉक हो गया ना.
अच्छा, driver server से that.
Now I'll show you what all happens inside the Firebase database when I log in as a new register. As you can see, I'm using Android Studio as my developing platform. I'll run the app on the emulator. Till now I'll just load my Firebase, reload it. Firebase is loading. As you can see, I just have only 2 users registered, and my app is almost done installing the APKs. Launching activity. Okay, my app is launched now. I'm registering as a new customer. I'll just use email try@try.com and password 1234567. Registration. When I click on the registration button, it connects it to the Firebase database. Like I'm registered and logged into the map activity. I'll reload the Firebase database. See, I got a new email ID registered, and in the database I'll show you that it is registered inside the customer child class. See, customers. I got 2 IDs. The 4CQY is the try@try.com's ID, which I registered just now.
The future implementations of this project are vast. We plan to add emergency contact numbers of the patient, his phone number, his blood group while registering. The patient can also trace the ambulance in real time, and the distance between the patient and the ambulance can be displayed. We can do a lot more stuff, but this is just a beginning.